Oh yeah, yeah.
Okay, so first I'm going to be taking my e.l.f. eyebrow spoolie just to smooth out my eyebrows. Then I'm going to be taking these two purple shades to use as my eyebrow tail color. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to be taking this hot pink shade to fill in the rest of my eyebrow with. Now I'm just going to be cleaning up my brows using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 15 Fair. Now I'm going to be prepping my eyes for eyeshadow using the same concealer I used to clean up my brows. Now I'm just going to set my concealer by using my Airspun translucent powder, and then I'm going to take these two purple shades and put them as my transition color. Now I'm going to take this blue shade and use it as my lid color. Now I'm going to take this purple shade and this black shade to deepen up my outer corner. Now I'm going to use a white cream face paint to put dots and stars all over my eyelid. Now I'm going to be taking this purple and black shade to contour my face with. I'm going to take that same white cream face paint to put dots and stars on the side of my face.
Got me falling right back. When you say it like that.
Now I'm going to be taking that same purple shade to use on my lower lash line.
Let me fuck you right back. Got me falling right back.
Now I'm going to be using the Rimmel London Rockin' Curves mascara to put on my top and bottom lashes.
Get in the door, silent walk. Who's the first to speak? Speaking like a real freak. Voice in my head, in my bed, filled with you instead. Taking your time, work my mind.